Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath587a.
FamilyMath587a. So we were talking about Grant Sanderson's calculus video this morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just talking a little bit about derivatives. And today I'm going to give you two challenge problems. One I sort of just made up walking the dog today, and another one's very common challenge problem. And they're about sort of geometry of derivatives.
Alright.
But the first thing I want to just do a very quick review is if I have, let's say I have an equation that looks like this. The equation itself just goes up and then comes back down. That's all it does.
Okay.
Right. I want you to see if you can sketch what the derivative of this looks like. Let's see if this marker is good. Yeah. What is the derivative geometrically represent?
So, like, it's like the sort of how steep this graph is going up or down.
Okay. And where are some points where you can kind of point and tell me a little bit about how steep the graph is at a couple different points?
Well, here up at the top, it's leveled out.
Okay.
Like, up here.
It's pretty steep at those points.
Okay, at those 2 points it's pretty steep. Are they the same steepness at those 2 points?
Yes.
Okay, why do you say that?
Well,
No, they're not.
I mean, it's sort of at zero here. It's sort of hard to tell. At least here. So normally the slope's sort of undefined at zero.
Okay, well move, nudge yourself just a little bit away from zero then.
So then it's going to be pretty steep in the positive direction.
Okay, so
Or in the, positive direction.
okay, so draw what you think the slope looks like there.
Like that.
That's the tangent line.
Yeah.
Okay, and what about there?
And then here, it's going to actually sort of look like the same thing, but in the other way.
Okay, so would you say those are the same steepness?
No.
Nope.
All right, what's different about it?
One's
One's
negative, one's positive.
Okay. All right, so let's just, all right, you're going to draw some other points in?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So it's gonna start off pretty steep. And so say it starts off like up here.
Okay.
And then it's going to
When you say what do you mean?
the
it?
derivative,
Okay.
the slope.
All right.
Is gonna start off pretty steep, and then it's gonna go down to zero right at this point.
All right.
And then I think it's gonna go in the negative.
All right.
I think it's actually gonna be more of a line-ish, sort of like that.
Okay. What do you think about this?
Yeah, because, I mean, it might not be a line because the slope it's increasing and decreasing by different amounts. Like, it might be more like a curve.
Okay, that's fine. But is this the general idea? It starts out kind of steep, gets less steep as it goes to here where it hits zero,
Goes
and then
negative, yeah.
goes negative over there. That's the general idea.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So I'm going to give you two challenge problems, and we're going to go take a look at them on the computer upstairs.
All right.
All right?
Okay.